If you're in Arena 6, one of the strongest decks you can run is the Hog Rider Goblin Barrel Bait deck with a 3.3 average elixir cost. Your main pressure comes from the Hog Rider for quick tower damage and the Goblin Barrel to force out enemy spells. If they zap or log your barrel, your Hog sneaks in hits, and if they hold the spell for the Hog, your barrel chips away. That's the classic bait cycle at work. For defense, you've got the Inferno Tower to melt down giants, balloons, or even Royal Giant. Skeleton Army punishes sloppy pushes and baits more spells, while the Musketeer keeps air threats like Baby Dragon or minions in check. Add Fire Spirit for cheap splash and cycling. For spells, Fireball wipes out Musketeers, Wizards, and minion hordes, while Zap resets Inferno and handles swarms instantly. The real strength of this deck is its versatility. You can defend almost anything, then turn it into a counter push with Hog or Barrel. If you like a mix of chip, bait, and counterattack, this is the perfect deck to dominate Arena 6.